Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Hey, good morning. All right, taking a quick look here at Financial Juice, make sure we are up to date on our news for the day.
Artlist.io.
Good to see you. Good to see ya. So we got a Fed speaking a couple minutes ago. Fed Walter, housing industry is being held by prospective buyers, job market fears. Okay. 10:30, we have crude inventory. We got Dallas Fed Energy Survey. Fed Bostic speaks at 12:30. A bond yield later in the day. So not too much crazy news anyways. Nothing too crazy, nothing too much to worry about on the day.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Good morning, everybody. How we all doing?
Music licensing reimagined.
Fed's Wallet Fund, I just stopped commenting here.
Artlist.io.
Looks like we had a pretty good bounce overnight there.
Music licensing reimagined.
Hey Darren, good morning. How you doing?
Artlist.io.
Good morning. Good morning. I got this new 25K evaluation that I won off of on a stream,
Music
and
licensing
it's with Blue
reimagined.
Guardian. And I took one trade yesterday. I'm up $50. Let's see here. What do we got on the book map here? Not very many.
Artlist.io.
Not very huge orders anyways. Everything's pretty tight right now. We got 68.73, some orders over there, 68.66.
Artlist.io.
But this seems like algos. They're just kind of like moving with the number. All good. Past top step took some profit back because of the Project X glitch. Luckily, it had made some profits pre the glitch that was unaffected. Okay, nice. Yeah, I hate that Project X nonsense, man. It's a pain in the ass. Unfortunately, I used Project X with this new Guardian whatever, so okay, yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
It's a ball ache, yeah. And the only porting to Tradeovate in February. Yeah, I know, right? Couple more months, we'll be all out of here. So we stop having to deal with all these Project X issues. I moved over all of my Lucid accounts already, so all my Lucid accounts are being traded on excuse me, on Tradeovate.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Ten seconds to the bell here. Yeah, I know. They're just a little bit behind schedule on getting that in.
Music licensing reimagined.
ES is pulling back pretty hard here, guys. Right out of the gate.
Artlist.io.
Right down to London lows. Yeah, if you buy the new ones, you can go directly with TradeBait, right? Yeah.
Artlist.io.
I do have a discount code with Top One Futures too, if you need it. No pressure though.
Music licensing reimagined.
YM's starting to rip a little bit higher, up to the highs anyways.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So I did take a long there on YM real quick on my eval accounts. Should have this open. I can just show the trades at the same time. Have to remember this in the future here. Let's see here.
Artlist.io.
I think that if I put it here, let's just put an order here. Should show up on
Artlist.io.
YMH20. YMH. Oh, I think I'm not logged in here yet. That's why. Okay. So E4001.
Reimagined.
There we go. All right. You can see what I did there. I bought it at the high, breaking out of the high, and then closed it pretty close to
Artlist.io.
48.66. Hi, Tina. Good morning. How are you this morning? Just did a quick long for
Music
scalp for
licensing
20 bucks.
reimagined.
Gonna wait for orb to complete. Yeah. I took this trade in. I normally don't trade before the 15-minute range set also. But today, just an eval, took a quick one. Hey, there he is. Good morning.
Hey, good morning, Dave.
I just closed a long trade on YM for 171 bucks in my eval account.
That's a great way to start your day.
Yeah, much better than yesterday.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, pretty strong. YM is anyways. Rejected off. I guess that would be Monday's view up.
Music licensing reimagined.
I was just saying to Darren, I usually don't trade before the first 30 minutes. I have really one main reason. That's if we get the mechanical model to go off, which I haven't got that yet. There's no opportunity for that yet. And then just the Dow's ripping, so I took it in an eval account.
I dig it. Rules rules can be broken in special situations. If you're trading like strictly like strategic, no, don't take those trades. If you're using 50% discretion, do what you want to, but just make sure you have a good reason for it.
Yeah.
And be willing to lose.
Music licensing reimagined.
Looks like we're heading towards midnight open with ES and NQ at the moment. But I didn't get any inversions to trade that way. So wonder if the Dow's going to be the guy today for longs anyways.
I don't know. It's starting to turn around a little bit.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
We got Tina saying hi this morning and Darren already. Darren took a quick $20 scalp. And there's Czar. Good morning, Czar.
And Darren Czar. I love it. I love it.
Coming in.
So once I leave Detroit, I'm going to contact Airbnb and see if they'll sponsor our show.
Oh yeah, that'd be awesome.
I mean, why not? I'm homeless. I live in Airbnbs 100% of the time now.
Yeah.
I spend a week to a month and a half in each place.
No doubt.
So
here's a note from your sponsor.
Here's a note from your sponsor, Airbnb. Sold your house, gave up on people and your community. Sick of all the bullshit. Go on a permanent vacation.
Hey,
Trade
there's
futures?
Jordan. Good morning, Jordan.
Good morning, Jordan. Yeah,
Darren said when
futures.
Asia and UK are somewhat bullish on ES, we usually reverse or sweep. Yeah, we just swept London lows anyways.
So when you pull up Project X now, there's a big yellow thing on the top of it that says, "We are aware of an issue impacting all traders."
Artlist.io.
Yeah, of
You're
course.
so damn aware of it. We've been aware of this for a couple of years now. If you're aware of it, fix it.
Yeah, no doubt, right?
I'm aware of that my dog took a shit in the middle of the living room. I'm aware of it. I just decided to leave it there.
I just didn't bother cleaning it up. Careful, watch your step.
You need to watch your step when you're walking around in these parts.
So I got that Blue Guardian account going
Nice.
finally, and guess what platform it's on?
Trade of 8.
No, Project X.
What?
Yeah, I don't know why it wouldn't let me load any other platform, so then I ended up having to go with Project X. So interesting, hey?
I don't know.
Artlist.io.
I think a lot of these prop firms were scrambling to get on a new platform.
Yeah. Lamb's holding up here still. Well, the other two are heading down.
The YM bounced off the 5-minute EMA, came back up a bit.
Reimagined.
Oh, it's gonna pop now.
Project X took $130 back from me across 3 accounts yesterday.
Oh, so
That's what Darren said.
where you were trading Tradeify, the CEO of Tradeify decided, red or green, that all accounts were being
Artlist.io.
Reimbursed?
reset. Yeah, reset for yesterday, which I personally think is a load of bullshit. But the reason why or the stated reason why, was because apparently you could see it was also top 1 futures. Oh, okay. So apparently you could see price action before it happened. Was actually in a statement on Twitter.
Oh. Well, how is that possible?
It's not.
Music
I
licensing
don't know if
reimagined.
you know where the information comes from or how it's actually distributed, but it all comes from one central location
Oh.
for futures contracts.
You know what they might mean, though, is that if you're watching TradingView, you get to see it before it happened on Project X. Because Project
maybe.
X was delayed. That's why I'm like, that. How could that happen? But if you think about it that way,
Okay.
then you can tell, oh, well, it's going to go up or it's going to go down. So
I figured there's just some sort of weird space-time continuum glitch where
the
Top Step
DeLorean shows up and you,
Project X just ended up 25 seconds into the future.
yeah. Yeah, Darren, I took a trade in the morning also, before it shut down and everything, and it stopped me out max daily loss limit, unfortunately. So, and I didn't realize that there was an issue at that point either. So it's possible,
Artlist.io.
it's possible that contributed. Oh wow! So we got that move all the way to midnight open there on that pullback. Now on ES. Oh, that's too bad.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So I had another early execution on my options yesterday.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm getting kind of used to it now. I looked at my personal account and it was negative $255,000. But this time I didn't have a heart attack because I knew what was going on. As soon as I saw it, I was like, "Oh, early execution! All right." And one of my legs on my options contracts went. So it pinged on my phone. I opened it up. I looked at it and went, negative 255,000. All right, cool.
Getting used to this.
It's the weird world we live in.
Reimagined.
Granted, by the time I woke up this morning, it was back to where it was supposed to be.
Oh yeah.
But I did find it kind of humorous.
Artlist.io.
It looks like that YM is coming down hard.
Yeah, it's starting to pull back now. It was holding up pretty well there for a while.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
There is a bullish fair value gap that we tapped into there on YM. Oh, I haven't even put my view ops on yet. The New York's.
Well, get on it.
Yeah.
What's the matter with you?
Trading below the New York on YM at the moment.
Now I'm just getting a bunch of emails from Blue Sky Trading because I signed up with them last night. I didn't buy an account yet, but I made a or I didn't buy I didn't buy an account with them, but I signed up on their website to get some information so I could read their contracts and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think I'm going with Blue Sky for a bit. No. They got and I don't mind how they do things. Because I'm managing so many accounts right now.
Yeah.
They have a thing where if you're in a 50K account and you get 3 of them, you can copy trade them. And you can only have 3 accounts with them.
Oh, geez.
Well, that's not, I mean, some of these prop firms you can only have 1 account with. And I'm okay with that either way. But after you take $10,000 in payouts or make $10,000 in profits, they move you into a sim funded account with that money. So if you make $10,000 and you withdraw $7,000 of that, they put you into a sim funded account with $3,000. That's it. And if you don't send a ticket when you hit that $10,000 profit mark, you're not getting paid again.
Huh? It's kind of weird.
I have too many accounts. I can't sit there and just keep a notepad with how much I've made on each one, well, made and lost and withdrawn on each one, and expect to be able to really keep track of all that.
Adds another layer to it, that's for sure. So we swept London or Asia lows there now too on ES and NQs. Obviously, it's actually swept everything. Point of controls engaged. Why I'm still holding up? Shit.
Artlist.io.
So 3 minutes into the opening range, YM has gone way down, way up, and is now stuck in the middle.
Jordan said, went short at 68.54. Target 1 hit. Stop is in profit. Very nice. 68.54. Nice. Beautiful.
That is awesome.
That's in the middle of London, I guess. 68.54. That was 54 is just below London. Nice. Good trade. Good trade. Wish I didn't close MNQ early, Czar. Oh, yeah. I mean, look at it. It just dumped like, is it 150 points? $200 points on NQ dump. I'll be right back. Bathroom break. All this talking about NQ.
That's what affects your bladder. All right. You're older than I thought you were.
Music licensing reimagined.
Interesting open on MNQ today. Yeah, no kidding.
Artlist.io.
What accounts am I going to trade today? I think I'm going to do Tradeify, ETF,
Artlist.io.
and take profit. Those 30 accounts, that'll work.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Been a long on YM. Added another 2 to it. Stop loss is up in profit, so stop loss of 48,639. I went in at an average price of 48,622.
Licensing reimagined.
Figures as soon as I add to it, it starts to pull back.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Project X is lagging, but don't say anything. I just scooped a $30 scalp. Awesome.
Music licensing reimagined.
Let's see if this is being copied to my top step. All right, that trade is up 61.54 and step, and it did not add my
Artlist.io.
didn't get my add to that trade. So I'm going to close it here. And it's not closing. User API disconnected, attempting to reconnect. What the fuck? Top step. Lots of folks are talking about silver today. Are they saying good things about silver?
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
He's been talking about all of this bearish movement, but ES is still above 6,800. Seeing much of a problem here.
Artlist.io.
Sorry about that.
Good morning, Sunshine. How are you and your weak bladder doing?
Surviving. Feeling
Music
Really?
licensing reimagined.
So Zara was saying a bunch of people are talking about silver today. My I copied my trade to Top Step, and I was in a bit of profit. Now I'm only in a little bit of profit. it won't let me flatten the position.
Really? What the?
So I was up like $61. It did not. I got the trade in, and then
IO.
it just didn't add my add-in, like 25, 30 points above what I entered in, and it's not letting me close my position.
Oh my god.
Artlist IO.
Nice bounce on it. Yeah. Nice bounce on silver.
So even without my add-ins on this, I only have 3 micros on, and I should be up about 81, 84, 81, 84, 82, 50. All right, you get the point.
Yeah.
And it's not letting me close this damn trade.
And that's through Project X.
Project X, this is Top Step.
So even if you go like directly to the Project X platform, you can't do it?
Yep, that's where I'm at.
It's okay.
I'm actually going to go to Project X instead of Top Step and see. I always forget I had to
breaking out again.
Music licensing reimagined.
I always forget I had to get an account with actual Project X for the copy trading stuff.
Oh yeah.
Did you do that too?
Get it like you have to pay for the APX connection or something?
Yeah, the API connections for well, I'm not going to be doing that anymore because they only have Top Step on there, but it was Top Step, Alpha Futures, Blue Sky, the Futures Desk, Funding Futures, and another one that I was trading.
YM, man. YM's heading to value area high. All 3 are bouncing pretty hard right now. NQ just took the New York.
Music licensing.
So I am up $83 in my Take Profit Trader account. And I just closed that. Oh, I have that copied. So I have that in 30 accounts now.
Wow, nice.
Take Profit, Tradeify, and Elite Trader funded.
Damn.
Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined.
ES is in that channel between the previous day's VWAP and New York VWAP. Excuse me.
Artlist IO.
Darren's grabbing the coffee.
Oh, that was a while ago. He should be caffeinated by now.
Oh yeah, that was 5 minutes ago.
If he's not, are you okay, Darren? Call 911 for you.
Music licensing.
I was thinking about taking up on NQ. I waited for the candle to close, and now it's starting to pull back. So I'm pretty happy I didn't jump in just yet. See, we're just taking midnight open right now, right? Like it's
on NQ.
possibly erase that whole candle.
Artlist.io.
Could try a small long here.
Yes, it's pulling back too. Now it's down below New York and below New York midnight previous day VWAP. It just bounced down off a bearish fair value gap too.
Reimagined.
The 858 is where it closed.
We have a 1 minute fair value gap I entered in for the bullish move. Let's see if it holds here. On NQ, down about 20-30 bucks at the moment on that trade on micro.
All right, today is looking pretty damn bearish. So I'm gonna open up my cash accounts.
Artlist.io.
Okay, well, we just inverted that fair value gap. I need to cut this guy as soon as possible here, I guess. Oof. See if we can't get a bounce here. I'll try to just get out as close to my entry price as possible if I can. Should have probably closed it right there. 17 bucks in the negative. Give us another little bounce.
Make your last, keep your losses small.
Yeah. Shoot.
Thing that I have noticed about you when you're trading,
Mhm.
you do win quite a bit more than you lose.
Yeah.
But you let your losses go. What, in my opinion, is too damn long. You hold losses a hell of a lot longer than I would.
Oof. Okay, well, we recovered quite a bit there. Oh, don't do it.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, well, back in the money now. Put my stop in profit there. See if we can't get a little bit more of a bounce here. And trail it up a bit. Okay, well, we're winning now.
Good deal.
Trailing it up. We're up 40 bucks right now. Just taking the New York. See if we can't get it to go a little further here. Coming up to value area high. All right, let's let this run a bit. Put my stop right below New York. We're out. All right. So I ended up taking 30 bucks. That was weird though. I just heard
So
it failed, so I don't know where that happened.
Shit. My Dow position in Top Step is now up 150 bucks. Still won't let me close it.
I think there was a lag there or something because it order filled me on. What the heck, man? 50.
Artlist.io.
So weird. That's weird. The copy trade didn't work good there. I made 30 bucks in the account that I had leading, and then the other accounts all shows 23. So weird.
Are you trading minis?
Micros. I only had one micro.
That's a whole lot of lag.
Yeah, like when I hit exit market all. So it didn't. I don't get that. I don't know what happened there, but yeah, there's $7 difference between the leading account and the rest of them.
What in the fuck?
Are you still stuck in that other trade?
Music licensing reimagined.
I was up $170 in my Top Step account. First trade of the day on micros on YM. It is a 50 point. Oh shit! No, I was up more than that. So I was up 150 points on my micro trade on YM with 3 micros.
Uh-huh.
I just closed. It just managed to close. After me trying to close it for 10 minutes, it just closed on its own, and now my account balance says negative 125.85.
What the hell? How's that even possible? It's still pretty high,
Licensing reimagined.
isn't it? Yeah, like NQ's still up there, or YM is still up there.
Oh no, I'm sorry. My average entry on this was 48,622.
6.2, yeah. But it's like 48.
So I'm only up. I would only be up 90 points. But still, that's 90 points on 3 micros, and now my account says it's negative 125.85.
What the hell, man?
Project X can go eat a big old bag of dicks.
Artlist.io.
What the hell? Maybe you should try to screenshot that and bring up a ticket for them. You got to have some sort of evidence if you can. Oh, I should have remembered. We got to always remember that earlier. As soon as you start having an issue like that, you should start taking screenshots, because they always want screenshots if you're trying to like bring up a complaint, which is kind of bullshit, because it's, I guess you know what, you have it. Oh, but you're not streaming. Yours wasn't streaming. I was gonna say it's live. We could get it off YouTube also, but
yeah, my your screen was up.
Yeah, mine's up right now. So
I need to find a way to just record every trade that I do.
Artlist.io.
Oh
Yeah,
shit! It's in Traders Post. It's in Traders Post. It actually will have all of my entries and exits, because it goes through JSON messages. So there'll be a record of that there too.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So that
should
right.
help.
I did just take a screenshot of this though.
Music
Yeah.
licensing reimagined.
Because it's like, how
Thank
could
you for
you
that.
take a loss when it just said, you can also refer to this, because, obviously you're talking live too. So they should be able to see timestamps as to when you're saying, like, I can't get out of the trade and stuff. So
This Project X nonsense is getting ridiculous. So anybody watching this, if you're trading on Project X,
Artlist.io.
be careful.
and
And if you get
we're
into a
sorry.
position, be willing to hold it for the entire day, because you never know when it's going to close out. You don't know whether your daily P&L is going to be accurate.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, that's weird too, because that was trade of 8, and that trade of 8 didn't close good for me. I don't get it. It only shows 23.50. Even like when I switch between the accounts,
Music licensing reimagined.
it doesn't show a different like the position doesn't show any different close or anything either. 24.13, long 13 sold at 24. No, yeah, long 13 sold at 24. Let's see here.
Artlist.io.
Long 13 sold at 24. Weird.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right, now I am going to take a little short on NQ. Just a baby one. Wait for a little bit more of a pullback though. And now.
Artlist.io.
So I got 8 micros on a short on NQ. Average price was 25,310.
Nice.
Oh, that's 8 micro. That's 8 micros across each account, and I'm doing 5 accounts.
Nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
Pretty volatile at this price down here at 95s, 295 area.
Artlist.io.
Actually gonna put a take profit in this.
Music licensing reimagined.
I might take profit at low of day.
Artlist.io.
Ooh. NQ's got some orders up above my entry.
Artlist.io.
Nothing too major, but still not thrilled about it. It's 307, 308's got a bunch of orders. Look like algos though.
Music licensing reimagined.
Trying to adjust the transparency on these little these boxes that I'm. Oh, that's too much. There we go. Let's go to 80, 85. There we go. I just have these. I've been. I have this indicator that shows the price action for like London,
Artlist.io.
New York Open, AM, Asia. So I just turned it down a little bit so it's not so bright.
Gotcha.
We're back in that zone though, aren't we? Yeah, we're back in the freaking chop zone of yesterday
Licensing
now.
reimagined.
Holy crap, we are.
So what was it, Monday, right? We were above it, then we closed, and then Asia and London went below that chop zone, then we ripped back up into that zone. And then today we climbed up above it overnight, and now we're back in it. So not loving this area.
Artlist.io.
Oh wow. Pull up a 1 hour chart and look at a couple of frames of that.
Artlist.io.
That's just not
Oh yeah,
making me happy.
on the NQ even. Yeah, like
I'm looking
all
at NQ.
yesterday, all yesterday was just tight clusters of wicks.
So on the 1 hour right now, we're at the bottom of a fair value gap.
Yeah, bearish one.
So, sorry, what was that?
A bearish
Oh,
fair value
bearish.
gap.
Yeah.
And then we got the bullish one down at 25,159.
Awesome.
Artlist.io.
Judging by the last few days, it's been respecting those fair value gaps and pushing off the bearish ones pretty heavily.
Yeah.
So I actually am going to take off my
Music licensing
take profit here.
reimagined.
And I'm going to leave this 8 micro trade alone. Put a stop loss at the bottom of the fair value gap. So I'm either going to lose $250 or I'm going to ride this all day.
Nice. Yeah.
That's my plan.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
YM sort of holding Monday's VWAP and New York VWAP right now.
Artlist.io.
At this 5-minute chart.
Music licensing reimagined.
You know what? I'm putting my stop loss up at 25,381. Above the New York, the midnight, and previous day VWAP. Quite a bit more of a risk, but judging by looking at historical data, I think it's a decent risk.
Gotcha.
If I lose it, I lose it.
Artlist.io.
So it's 700 and calculator.
Music licensing reimagined.
$1,200 in risk.
Ooh. Which account's that?
That is my Tradeify account.
Gotcha.
This account has a lot of drawdown in it, though, available. That's not, this is not like a new 50K, like a new 50K account. This account's quite a bit bigger.
Music licensing reimagined.
Hey, Terrence, good morning. Getting in any trades yet, Terrence? I'm eyeballing YM right now, but I'm just not not that convinced to get into a trade just yet.
Well, you didn't want to follow me into that? Oh, you were saying YM, not NQ.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
You know how YM's its own beast, so
It is. That it is.
NQ has a bunch of orders above and below.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, 25.40 below and 25.350 above. Oh, Darren slept in this morning.
We all did, buddy. We all did.
Yeah. Terrence, I think you said you're in Hawaii, right? So that would be, that's even earlier than us, or than me anyways. 'Cause I'm up at 6:30, and I think that's either 5:30 or 4:30 for him. So you get it. I don't know if it's 1 or 2 hours before us, before me anyways. Ooh, pretty big bounce there.
Music licensing reimagined.
Two hours before, yeah. So when I'm up at 6:30, he's up at 4:30, and I thought it was hard for me.
4:30 is my normal wake up time,
Artlist.io.
and I gotta tell you, I hate it.
Well, I am starting to rip now. Holy.
So is NQ. I just flattened that position.
Okay.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, when it starts to rip like that, let's see where this candle closes. We've got 1 minute 44 seconds left.
Yeah. And it's also 10:23. We got 40 minutes until lunchtime, and this is reversal time.
Music
Yeah.
licensing reimagined.
We also have a few hundred orders up above us on NQ, so I'll wait and see if it bounces off those orders up at 350, 370, and 400. If it bounces off those, I'll look at another short. If it breaks through them and continues going, then we'll start looking for a long.
Yeah.
Music
Today is
licensing
not my day to be
reimagined.
trading. Issues with the Project X. Got picking the wrong direction on NQ. You know what I think my issue is? I haven't had enough coffee yet.
Oh, well, load up if you're flat.
Head base.
Artlist.
Terrence, yes, 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours difference from you to Hawaii. Lee. No, thank you.
Artlist.io.
I never set an alarm. I always just wake up at 4:30 for some reason.
Just your internal clock.
Yeah, I wake up. I'll be laying in bed. My eyes pop open, and I'm like, okay, what's happening now? And I don't wake up slowly. I just wait. I'm just awake as soon
Just
as
like-
Licensing
boing.
reimagined.
Yeah. I spring out of bed, do a little dance, put on some fuzzy slippers that look like bunnies.
Yeah. Just taking a look at ASFX TV. Somebody is short on, I don't know who I'm not sure who's trading it, but 65 for 68.49 ish on ES. Short.
Artlist.io.
Slightly negative. Oh, they're going green now.
68.49.
Yeah, on ES.
Music licensing.
Like,
reimagined.
Barely in the money a bit right now. It's a trade of 8.
Second rejection of the New York VWAP. That's what they went in on. They wait. Okay, whoever did that was actually pretty damn smart. Second rejection. No, I'm sorry. That's one.
Artlist.io.
There's been like 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, there's 4 rejections on the 5-minute chart in the New York VWAP, and they waited until that candle was starting to print red after an immediate 5-minute pullback. That was actually a really smart trade and really good patience. My dumbass would have went in 15 minutes ago and got chewed up with the.
Yeah, I think they got in at it. Let's see here on the. I think they got in because they held through that bounce, the last bounce. They got in probably. What time is that?
10:05 candle.
Yeah, around there, 7:05, 7:10, something.
Yeah, 7:05, or I'm sorry, 10:05 New York time would have been great entry on that. And again, they would have been. You said 49.
Yeah. So kind of like flirting around with their price right now.
Artlist.io.
It's not I mean, honestly, if you're willing to hold that for a little bit of an extended period of time, it's a smart trade.
Yeah, it could definitely play out.
That's one of those trades that you can hold for an hour and just make bank on. I'm not going to, but
Yeah, we gotta make a bit of print it a little bit lower still.
all right, I took one loser. I have one more trade, and then I quit for the day.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Yeah, that ES trade's going back into the channel between New York and previous days VWAP.
Yeah. Yeah, whoever's in that trade, I think it looks like they're down like 1,000. Yeah, they're down $1,000 right now. They're short 25 contracts.
That sounds like an Austin move.
It's probably an eval, maybe, right? I don't know. Top 1 futures. Oh, never mind. That's not. It's
Yeah, I
risk,
honestly, I'm not worried about that trade for him at all. Looking at it, I mean, I wouldn't be risking $1,000 on that.
well, they're risking more than that. Their stops at 871.
Licensing.
So
reimagined.
that's going to be like 2,500 risk.
All right.
It might be an eval though, right?
I don't know what they're trading over there right now.
I just typically don't see Austin going that heavy on a.
No,
it could
it's
be
not.
Randy in an eval.
He may have a. You know what? He has been trading a Fucket account. I think he's got a 300K just degenerate account that he'll trade when he's feeling a little feisty. That's what I should open today, is my DGen account.
Music licensing reimagined.
Just looking at this price on the 5 minute, man. Like, I just got all three indices open right now.
Yeah.
And they're just chopping with wicks everywhere. It's like, who wants to trade these? I don't know. I'm not feeling like trading this.
Not feeling like doing a damn thing now, other than going and getting into another cup of coffee and possibly calling it quits for the day.
Yeah.
It's a Wednesday. A bunch of chop. I could be out doing something more fun than sitting here with your goofy ass. I'm just kidding. I love you.
Music licensing reimagined.
Open up my.
Artlist.io.
Oh shit. Well,
Back in the chop. Let's see. Come on, let's get a little break in one way or the other here, please, guys.
so I do have some good news for you, Dave.
Yeah.
My degenerate account
Uh-huh.
is now a PA account. I had no idea I passed that.
Oh,
Music
Okay.
licensing reimagined.
so you got so much excess finally hit that consistency, or what?
Yeah. Holy shit. Oh, that's stupid.
Artlist.io.
Oh, there we go. That's why. Looking at my past trades, because of that one ridiculous day when I made like 60 grand on this account,
Music licensing reimagined.
I've had 4 days that were over 15,000, between 15 and 27,000 on this account.
Wow.
And then a bunch at like over 4,000, over 2,000. Okay, that's why.
Nice.
All right.
Artlist.io.
Darren said that Project X is acting up again. Fills are dog shit. Yeah, it's like lagging or something, right?
It wouldn't even let me close my contract. I closed it. What did I say? $180 in profit, and it shows that I have a negative $125 day. So stay off of Project X for right now if you can. Actually, no, I'm not even going to say that. Just stay off of Project X today because you can. You don't need to trade every day. They're having this many issues and this many people are still trading them.
Yeah.
Just get the fuck off.
Zara, can we please get yesterday low on MNQ so we can be done for the day? The waiting is killing. Zara's ready to go to bed.
Wait, where is Zar?
I don't remember where
Zara,
Zara.
where are you? Zara,
But,
tell me where you are.
I remember he was having breakfast, but it was like late night for me.
Zara, just tell me where you are. I'll come visit. Guess I need to
Guess
get
I
the
need to
wallet
get
out
the
and
wallet.
buy some Trade Evade accounts. Yes,
Yeah,
Darren.
I got a discount code, Darren. MBT. But yeah, Project X is so annoying right now. It sucks.
Right now, it's always been annoying.
Well, especially lately.
There's your push down on ES.
You and I am. Oh, jeez. Oh, what am I gonna do? I can't just jump in this now, though.
Watch out for that 6,800 price, though. That's a real hard pass. It's really hard to pass that psychological number.
Yeah, and NQ's at
Anytime.
25,200.
So watch for the 25,000 and the 6,800 on NQ and ES.
Artlist.io.
Make sure you got your stop losses pretty tight at that point.
That might have been Evan's trade, you know? Oh, that was Austin. It was Austin because he's like flexing now.
I was going to say, Evan doesn't trade like that ever. Evan is very controlled. He is very systematic. I mean, he uses discretion, but he's not throwing 28 micros on a single trade unless he's adding into it as it's going in his favor.
True.
You've seen him and his monk robes with a shaved head, incense burning behind him.
Artlist.io.
All right,
Yeah,
I'm gonna go grab
good
some
thing we
coffee.
didn't take it short on YM there, guys, because it just recovered that whole move down.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Quite the move down there, guys.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Okay, well, I'm gonna keep an eye here on the point of control.
Artlist.io.
See what happens if we get up to the point of control here and get a rejection or not.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So I did get in a short here on MYM.
Yes. Oh,
Yeah.
so the
One
Dow.
mic short, yeah, on the Dow.
Artlist.io.
See if we can't get a little bit more of a move lower here, but kind of flirting with the lows at the moment. It would be nice to see it just dump right past these lows here. We got lots of room down to maybe 48.69, I'd say. This is in my 4 Lucid copy trade account. I think I'm going to go break even at this point.
All right.
Music licensing reimagined.
So risk-free trade at the moment.
I like risk-free. Risk-free is good. I haven't heard you talking about getting in on the pinwheel.
Yeah, he hasn't done any draws.
I was gonna say, is he on
pretty focused.
paternity leave right now?
Yeah.
His due date is 3 days from now. Is their due date? So, in case y'all don't know what we're talking about, Zach Arbucci is having a little girl, and the due date is the 20th. So, there's going to be a little mini Zach running around.
Nice. All right, we're getting a bit of some volume movement here. I'm going to actually bring my
Good
stop.
volume on the shorts. You got YM open?
Yeah,
Pull this up for you.
trailing my stop down to the bottom of the wick of the previous candle there. I think I'm going to start trailing a little more aggressive here. We're up about 25 on this one. Just one micro.
Artlist.io.
Oh, you're looking really good with this YM order. You got orders underneath you on the book.
Might stop me out here. I'm in locked it at 490.
Artlist.io.
Your stop is in profit, correct?
Oh yeah, there we go. I'm trailing again more. 72 now.
Say you can probably hold this for a little bit longer. Watch out for that 48,400 and the 48,441.
Music licensing reimagined.
Bit of a pullback there. Almost hit my stop. There we go. We're on that stop. So locked in $25-ish on that.
All right.
It goes in one
one
contract. So I'm up 55 across all
It's gonna go back down.
my funded accounts here.
Artlist.io.
Gonna for that short 48,423.
Ooh, looks like it still wants to go.
You're out of that trade?
Yeah, I got
$25 or so?
on that pullback. Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Weird, it's not showing my executions on this chart.
Whatever. As long as it shows up in your account, I don't care.
Yeah, I'm just putting my just so everyone else can see the trades normally, because I'm actually trading it on the side screen with Tradeovate, but it shows up on TradingView. So that's why I put TradingView as my main screen here. As long as I'm on the right contract, it'll show it over here. So.
Hey, good morning, Keith. You're a little late to the game today.
Keith. Yeah.
It's all right. Nobody's mad at you this time.
Czar said finally taking a breather now. Took a partial and not touching MNQ for the next 15 minutes.
Music licensing reimagined.
Not a bad choice. I'm still looking at 41 for a take profit on this YM trade.
Oh, so you're in it also?
Yeah.
41. Nice. You're like a couple ticks away.
And I'm out. I caught 50 points on that. 48,491.
You guys take profit. You don't joke. Yeah, we like to lock in profits for sure.
Oh yeah, that's take your profits when you can.
Yeah. No need to let it turn around and go back red on you. That's for sure.
Music licensing reimagined.
So, oh shit! All right, cool. So I made $750 on that across 30 accounts.
Whoa. So you're in with mini.
No, 3 micros, 15 bucks a point.
3 micros.
Oh wait, no, I'm sorry. That is off. YM is $5 a point on the minis, not the micros. It's 50 cents. So $75.
Nice. Yeah, so I'm like, yeah, it sounds like you're trading minis.
Yeah, no, sorry, that was my mistake. I made $75, not 750. That's a big difference. I should really pay attention to my math. But either way, that's still like,
yeah, it's nice trade.
$2,000 across 30 accounts. So
beautiful.
I just want to point out,
Yeah.
I almost called the bottom on that. It got down to 34. I said 41.
Yeah.
That is pure luck. I couldn't do that if I tried. Hey, best viewers in Streambo. Go to streambo.com. Maybe I should get them to sponsor us. Airbnb, Streambo. All right. Well, it is 10:49 in the morning. I'm done trading for the day.
You're done for the morning?
Yeah, I got nothing left in me right now. Keep you company for 10 minutes, unless I'm irritating you, in which case.
Oh, not at all.
Music licensing reimagined.
So right now, Apex Trader Funding has all evals, only $196, take 80% off, so they're all $39.20, with resets at only $25. and lifetime PA fees at $104 for the 100, 25, 50, and 100Ks. They are $65 to $104, and then the 150, 250, and 300Ks are $125 to $164 all in.
Wow.
So that's
which accounts are those?
Those are the Apex Trader funding.
Crazy, yeah.
Music licensing.
Hey, if you don't mind, I'm just gonna run to the bathroom real quick.
Do it.
Thanks.
I'll answer any questions that come up. Yeah, PA is whack, and I missed the meltdown as AI shorted Bitcoin and then forgot to check ES and PX. Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Is Bitcoin sitting at now? Now, Darren, are you trading Bitcoin futures? Oh, shit.
Music licensing reimagined.
The Bitcoin futures are almost down to start of day. So Darren's up $80 on ES for today.
Artlist.io.
And a nice bag on a Bitcoin short.
Yeah.
Nice. It's heading lower here, hey? Whoo. Jeez.
Yeah, it's now below the start of day or the New York open price
Music
for Bitcoin
licensing
futures.
reimagined.
Dow's down at 400 now. 48,399. Yeah.
Yeah, this is... Jordan got short again at 28 or 68.23 on MES.
Artlist.io.
Let's look at that.
Nice.
Oh, hell yeah.
Right,
Nice. Yeah, real
right
nice.
before that dump.
Artlist.io.
Take that money and run. Or get a little bit froggy and start adding into it.
Previous day low. Took previous day low already. So at least we didn't stick around in that price all day again like yesterday. Oh, it tagged a low volume node. Wow, looking back at the ES price action back at 1046, somebody bought 500. 500. Well, it said a 500 sell, and then it price went up to from 20 to 25, and then there's a 500 buy. So I don't know if that was a stop getting filled. Aggressive seller at 68.20, and then aggressive buy at 68.25. 500 contracts. Savage.
I'm just getting all of the messages from the prop firms right now. Take Profit's got a no fee 40 deal going right now. 40% off your account, the evaluation account, and then no activation fee.
Nice.
That's nice. I like that.
Yeah, that'd be something to look at.
If I wasn't full of Take Profit, I'd be doing that.
Music licensing reimagined.
That's $100 for that account for a 50K.
You don't have them, just get 5 of them and trade them conservatively.
Yeah.
If you're not paying an activation fee on that, $100 all in.
Artlist.io.
I think I may have paid like $1,000 in total for my TPT accounts.
Music
They got
licensing
end of day
reimagined.
drawdown, right? Don't they?
Yes. So they have a consistency rule in the evaluation.
40%.
I'm sorry, what's that?
It's like a 40%,
40,
50% consistency. 50. I think you
I
got
think it's 50.
Yeah.
And then after it goes not live, but to a pro account or pro plus account, there's no consistency rule. And they claim that you can take daily payouts. And that's great and everything, except for one thing. Anybody who's taken a payout daily on any prop firm account should just stop doing that.
Oh, there's my dad.
Unless-
Good morning.
Morning, Mr. Stewart. Yeah, if you're taking daily payouts from any prop firm, you're an idiot. You shouldn't be taking payouts daily. You should be taking them on a schedule, and you should be taking out minimal amounts. Take out what you need to either scale your accounts and get more, or if you do this for a living to, pay your bills and everything. But leave as much money in those accounts as possible until you're ready to get rid of that account.
Yeah.
Then take a full withdrawal, put it in a personal account, trade that. Because you're paying taxes as a subcontractor. You don't get that 40/60 tax advantaged account, even if it's a live account.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Dave, I'm gonna get the heck out of here.
All right,
It
Brett.
is now officially 11 o'clock, and my workday is done. Goodbye, Terrence and Darren and Czar and whoever the heck else is still in here. Heath,
Licensing reimagined.
enjoy the rest of your day. Mr. Stewart. Hey, Dave. Trade like an adult.
All right, guys. Well,
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
I'm gonna head out. Need to get your son from school.
Artlist.io.
Catch y'all later. All right, Darren, have a good one. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to be taking any more trades this morning, guys, but we'll just hang out here for a bit, see if we can't get maybe we can get a bit of a pullback and then sort of an entry, but we will see.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
I hate getting on late. Always Chase was down 480, now up 15. Ooh. Careful, careful.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Hope you're short. I'm actually flat right now, but I have been trading short this morning. I took a long actually on YM right out of the gate, and then I took two short trades after that on. Okay, Tina, see you tomorrow. Have a good day. Jose, 2 L's for me. Tried longs twice on New York anchor breaks on MNQ. Oh, tough one. Tough. Yeah, it's a tough day to make wins on longs. You're short Nvidia. Haha, nice. Sounds like a good idea.
Music licensing reimagined.
Nice, 80%. That's killer. So YM might be inverting a bearish fair value gap currently. Let's see where this candle closes. Got 2.5 minutes left on it. Let's see here. Let's see.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Pretty big rejection there on that bounce on the YM. I was thinking if we get an inversion on this fair value gap, we could think about taking a long. Oh, could be reversal time, but not going to try to force anything. Going to wait for some sort of closure to tell me what direction we're going to be going here. Could also just take a short in this bearish fair value gap, but all three indices sort of bouncing here pretty good, so a little reluctant to short it at this moment. Could climb quite a bit higher before it turns around, so this is a macroeconomic play. Everything will be rejected. Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Ooh.
Artlist.io.
Morning, Butcher. How's GC looking? Haven't looked at GC very much today at all. Let's see. Ooh. Well, looks like we climbed a bit and then we pulled back. So sitting on the top of London High right now.
Music
And
licensing reimagined.
overnight VWAP. So, I mean, I think GC's looking a little bit bearish, not financial advice. I don't really see anything I would specifically want to be taken as a trade at this point. On the GC, I've been trading, I took a couple trades on YM this morning.
Artlist.io.
Everything's looking pretty heavy.
Music licensing reimagined.
Why I'm starting to reject there. Again, off that fair value gap.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Is YM slow? I've never traded it. YM can be really nice to trade. Currently we're sort of stuck in this area. We've kind of like found a bottom, sort of. I don't know. It could be a bottom before some more continuation lower, but yeah. YM does typically move pretty fast. So like on this drop here, it went down by 243 points. So if you're trading micros, it's 50 cents per point. So if you had 2 micros short, you make 250 bucks on that drop. So for a quick reference, so it does like to move. It's a bit of a beast of its own, you know. Sometimes it's going the opposite direction of NQ and possibly ES, but it's definitely more correlated with ES. So I usually keep an eye on ES and YM at the same time when I'm thinking about trading it. So we do have a little space down to previous day low here on the YM also. So there's a chance we're gonna head lower here still. 48,314 is the low. Low a day. And then if you trade the big guy, then it's $5 per point, right? So 250 points times 5 could be a pretty large winner, right? 1250 for one YM short, one big contract short. Everyone will be running for the exit hedge funds today. BOJ is tomorrow. Everyone tried to preserve the rally and spent all their money doing so, but private credit blowing up. Oh, this is from Blue Owl. Is that news? I am interested in taking a short now on this YM, but we're a little too late, I think, to the game here. And we only have 30 seconds left on this candle, so it's not a very good time to enter. But we do have a little bit of room to the downside to the previous day low. But I'm not really that excited for it. 11:15 a.m. here. Price is bouncing around quite a bit here. Seems like possibly the buyers are going to be stepping in a bit here, but Blue Owl Capital News, they have like 5 firms seeking class action lawsuits at this point. They withdrew a 10 billion deal from Oracle this month. Whoa, that's wild.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, coffee's ending. Better get a refill. Oh, pretty big bounce here. Get into this bearish fair value gap here. Let's see what happens in this candle here.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Well, guys, I'm actually thinking I'm just gonna wrap the stream up here. I do have a bunch of stuff to get onto for the rest of the day with my real estate work. We're at 8:17, so let's just stick around for a few more minutes here. We can think about trying to take a short, possibly on this in this bearish fair value gap up here. But yeah, kind of. You know what? Let's just call it here, guys. Wrap it up. Green on the day, about $200 or so. I did take 170 in a eval account, which I don't put on my calendar. And then I got this new Blue Guardian account here, which I made $50 in. So 253, 70, a little over $400 profit across multiple accounts anyways, but didn't take any trades in my top 1 futures account. Just after hearing everybody talking about Project X issues, I'm like, yeah, I'm not touching that today. So yeah, it's been fun stream though, guys. You guys have a great day. Keith is up 45. Nice. All right, have a blessed day to you too there, Terrence. Mahalo. All right, between here and there. Also, see you later. Tina was here earlier. Jose, Jordan, Darren here earlier. Just say bye to everybody. My dad peeked his head in. Czar, I think Czar stepped away. I don't know if he's back or not yet. But yeah, thanks for hanging out, everybody. We'll be back live again tomorrow morning as usual. Might be getting that short opportunity here, but that is quite a bounce. Little scary to want to see it slow down here before I take any short here. But yeah, we're gonna wrap it up anyways. So just lock in the small green day. Is what it is. Not bad day. So thanks a lot, everybody. We will see you tomorrow. Have a good day. Peace out.